In India, Andhra Pradesh ranks number 1 in ease of doing business and always been forefront in economic growth. Under visionary leadership of Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, the state aspires to be the most sought-after investment destination in India. Andhra Pradesh is a bountiful agricultural economy with a wide and diverse base of raw materials. As a part of its food processing policy 2020 to 2025, which intends to develop secondary food processing units, ready to operate, plug and play, in each parliamentary constituency summing up to 42 product-specific units. These units are intended to create a continuous demand to the farmers, to produce good sale price and adequate raw material for the units. AP Food Processing Society under the Government of AP envisioning the objectives of Honorable Chief Minister and the State of Andhra Pradesh are inviting AOI from national and multinational companies, which are well established in market, processing a diverse distribution and customer chain through operation and management of the units, to operate transfer model for a lease period of 10 years. Where the government shall establish the activities such as procurement of raw materials from farmers at market price and let the reputed private industries to operate the units and sell their products to create a win-win solution for the farmers and the industry. These global standard infrastructure units are owned by government through SPV under the direct supervision of APFPS. Selection criteria: well-established national and multinational companies. Capability to absorb the surplus volume. Experts in marketing bulk volume. A fixed lease fee to be paid annually to the government. With the given opportunities, we invite you to come and partner with us and explore the opportunities to grow together in the state of Andhra Pradesh. For more information, please contact us.